The Outsider by Stephan King. Question: do you believe in the boogeyman? All evidence shows that Terry Maitland has brutally, and I mean brutally, horrendously, I read it and I was like, what? So he has killed a child in the most horrendous way possible. All evidence points to this, but does the evidence prove that he was there? Terry Maitland is a well-respected man in the community. He teaches Little League. Everyone around town knows him as Coach T. He's well-respected. He has a great marriage. So why would a man like this do a crime so disgusting? It makes you wonder. I mean, he's around kids all day. Did he commit this murder? Did he have some demon inside him that finally came out? There is so much evidence against him. I mean, we're talking prints, semen, eyewitnesses, like all over the place, proving he was there and he is the one who committed this murder. But somehow he still has an ironclad alibi. He has another set of witnesses saying, no, he was with us the whole time. And they actually have him on video, supposedly in this other like convention. So his alibi is pretty ironclad. But where did all this evidence come from? Like, how can a man be two places at once? This book, for me, the first half of the book was so good. I love a good murder mystery. I loved all the details, all the layering it put on. And then you know what? All of a sudden, bam. I can't even. All right, so let me try again. There was all this evidence and the book just had layers and layers of all this great information. It was like this perfect puzzle and you wanted to fix it. And then, I'm not even joking. Okay, halfway through the book, Mr. Stephan King, he pulls out the whole, an alien did it. I'm like, what? Come again? Yeah. All of a sudden, it's like a sci-fi, and I'm like, I'm all about the sci-fi thriller, but Stephen, come on. I feel like he tried to make a murder mystery book and then didn't know how to finish. So he's like, I'll make it a monster. Ah, a monster. Literally, that's what I thought. 500 pages of... It really had the making of something amazing. I mean, I'm telling you, right when I started the book, I was intrigued. The storyline was great. And I'm telling you, I was very disappointed with how it turned out. The plot was there. The characters were there. Anyways, it didn't pan out. I can't. Stephen, you made me very sad. I just want you to know that. The way they ended up catching and killing this creature, this alien monster boogeyman under the bed, they found him in a cave. I'm just gonna tell you because you're not gonna read those. So they found him in a cave and I was thinking, well, how do you kill this monster that's never been caught and does all these heinous crimes? So I guess he like impersonates, he can like turn into a person. So that's how someone can be somewhere at the same time. So he makes sure he's seen as this other person. So he morphs into this other person and he kills these kids and I guess he like lives, that's how he lives and survives, right? So they catch him in a cave and they confront him, and this one detective, she's just like this lady, not just a lady, I mean, ladies are cool, but she had, all of a sudden, she just like, and whips out like this sock that had like ball bearings in it, and that's how she killed him. She was like, and whacked him. And then he just disintegrated and little bugs came out. I mean, I feel like for the whole story plot, it should have been a little more like, rah! But no, she whacked him with a sock with ball bearings, and that's how it ended. They saved everyone from a sock. Yeah. Goodreads rates this book at a 3.98. My rating for this book is a 3. And as much as I hated the ending, well, really the whole last half, I did like the first part. It did provide the want to know who done it. So that is my book for today. Thank you for joining me on today's Looks and Books. If you have read this book, let me know. Let me know if that's what you feel too. But overall, first half was great. The second half, Mr. Stephan King, please don't bring in the sci-fi. Thank you. Happy Friday, everyone. Love yous.